Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey people, how y'all doing? Hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, November 19th, 2025. It's the evening time I'm doing this video. I just want to come on here and share some of my little stockpile groceries. Things I'm going to be using for the merry making days. Yes, yes, yes. Ain't no black folks telling me what to celebrate and not celebrate. I make up my own damn mind. I don't need nobody trying to convince, force, persuade, influence me to do anything that I don't want to do. And I don't see nothing wrong with enjoying something once a year that a whole bunch of people that don't have much get to participate and be blessed with so much. And if a lot of the old black people don't understand that, then so be it. I don't want to have nothing to do with them folks. They want to boycott markets and stores. You go ahead and do that. But me and my family gonna continue to live, and we gonna buy what we need to buy when we need it and where we want it from. Now, if you black folks get a store, fine. You can compete with these stores that's out here, the well-known stores, then fine. People will shop there. Get a store. That's all I can say. Don't complain about other stores. You're up there being so big and bad, talking about who you ain't gonna shop at and support. Well, if you got somewhere else to support and to buy stuff, hopefully they got everything you need. Because there ain't gonna be no Whole Foods, no Lazy Acres. Some of these doggone specialty stores, whole lot of black folks ain't specializing in stuff. I ain't saying that they can't, that they couldn't, because it's a lot of rich black folks that can get involved and open up grocery stores. But every time they get something, they always selling it. A lot of black creative stuff has been sold to a whole entire different race. And why that occurs, I don't know. So I don't know what black folks want. I know what I want and what I'm gonna do. All black folks ain't alike. We don't all do everything the same, regardless of what some people think. And all that go for any other race. All of them ain't the same. All of them don't do the same. It just ain't true. People, even if it's done in secret, they doing something different because it's done in secret. Oh, something that hurt my mouth. My gum is sore. Oh my God. Oh, I got that new toothpaste. It ain't up here. It should have been. I got that there. I forgot the name of it. It's by Arm & Hammer. But anyway, I don't know how I drifted and got distracted and started talking about toothpaste. I know I said my gum was sore, but what that got to do with it, I don't know. It just brung something about toothpaste on. Anyway, how y'all doing? Hope y'all doing so good. And welcome back to the channel. And what I'm gonna hey, I got some items up here I want to share, and it's all great value. I'm digging on the great value. Now this Fabergé, I guess I got me a can opener. I have an electric one, but just in case, I got me a good old hand operated can opener. Be prepared, folks. Get you a real can opener. And so much going on. If everybody got to go back and apply for food stamps, I wonder if I should apply for food stamps. I ain't rich. Well, I ain't rich at all. I'll just get by like I've been doing all my whole life. Don't think I didn't want to travel the world, be well read, and all these beautiful things some people take for granted that have the opportunity and the means to do such things. Get a beautiful education. Even though some of these people get a nice education, that don't mean they know every damn thing. Okay? They went to school to be a doctor. They can't fix a stove and refrigerator. And the doctor and the stove and refrigerator repair person can't repair a body. Okay? Vice versa. You just pick and choose one subject, know it from front to end, front to back, right? And that's your specialty. Okay? Or you could be a jack of all trades and a master of nothing. That we used to say at the shop. But shoot, oh boy, ain't nothing like having your own business though. It ain't nothing like having your own business, boy. Them little coins add up. You got something people need and want. It's got to be a need and a want. A service. You got a service, or you're selling something people want. Now, with a lot of black folks up there being angry and pissed off and mad and unhappy about and talking about don't celebrate holidays, don't buy stuff from the store. Now, they could be making a whole bunch of money this season, time of the year, because folks like to decorate, they want to look good, they want to eat good, they want to hang out. All kind of money is to be made during this time of the year that some black folks are complaining about. Oh, Lord. What happened to the people? People is people. I don't care what color you are. If you ain't thinking, you just ain't thinking. These times right now, you can be making all kind of money. And I bet you the ones doing the most talking time, oh, don't you do it. I bet they are out there selling something. Doing some kind of service. Cleaning somebody's chimney. Raking up some leaves. All because somebody wants the service. And they won't pay somebody some money to do something that they ain't able or they don't feel like doing. Money it's out there to be made. You want it, you could do it. If I had me some more good strength, shoot, I'll be on my P's and Q's out there doing all kind of odds and ends, stacking them coins up. There ain't nothing to do it but to do it. Like black folks always talking about, oh, we ain't gonna miss this, that, and other. We gonna get by. Sure, you gonna get by. But you got to get your hustle on, because I hear tell a lot of folks getting fired, but then I hear tell that the majority of the government and federal workers are white. So I don't know. They said the DEI people was white women, so I don't know what the hell going on. Y'all been hearing the same thing. I'm seeing all this on social media. This is not my opinions, thoughts, and ideas. Okay? All this stuff I'm sharing with y'all, I've been hearing about. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my